Hello, heroes! It's another Stump the Tool Guy Thursday here with Joe Smith. You know how the game works. If you don't know what it is, post a funny answer. If you do know what it is, first to post the correct answer will get your comment pinned. Just playing for fun here. Trying to introduce you guys to some new tools. So 10 inches in length there. Here's a hint. It's made in China. Trying to get you some clear video here. Surely someone out there knows what this is for. Well, this has been Joe Smith with Stump the Tool Guy Thursday. Hopefully someone can figure this out. Joe Smith signing out.